Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the percentage symbol on your Google Docs mobile application. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to insert the percentage symbol in Google Docs mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, I just open this document here and just going to edit option here. Now I just need to insert the percentage symbol. So you just use Google keyboard to insert the percentage. Click on this number option and you can't find a percentage option here. So you just need to click this option again to find the percentage symbol. You can find this percentage symbol. You can just insert it like this. You can't use your Google Docs mobile to insert, because if you click on this plus symbol there is no insert option here present. So you just use your keyboard. Here I just using Google keyboard. You can use your own keyboard. If the option is not present, you just use the Google keyboard or Gboard. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.